This is the Iowa Weather Report for Monday, December the 10th, 2012. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at noon today. We have some energy moving out of the upper Midwest into the Great Lakes with a trough bringing in some much cooler air to the state. It also is taking the snow that fell across far northern Iowa, Minnesota, and Wisconsin and moving it out into the Great Lakes with some showers and thunderstorms from the Ohio Valley down into the deep south and the Gulf Coast. We head to Tuesday. Morning lows in the single digits and teens and highs back into at least the 30s, maybe a few upper 20s, with mainly sunny skies, a few more clouds later in the day. Wednesday, winds turn around to the south and southwest. Temperatures will boost up. Highs well into the 30s, maybe approaching 40 once again, with some snow breaking out across Minnesota and North Dakota once again. We head to Thursday, still seeing winds out of the south, still seeing dry conditions and mainly sunny skies, and temperatures likely a couple degrees either side of 40 at this point. We head to Friday. We have a system with some snow near Duluth, International Falls, and across Ontario, but nothing around here, and still seeing highs around 40 or so. We head to the weekend, and we have a system coming up from the south and west, a low pressure south of St. Louis. This could bring some light snow to the southern and southeastern counties of the state on Saturday, and then by Sunday that moves well off to our east. So accumulations with that, a couple inches at best, but we'll fine-tune that in future model runs and Iowa weather reports. And a week from today, a ridge beginning to build to our west. We still have a northwesterly flow around here. Peace energy over the south and east, another vortex over the Canadian Maritimes. And that means that we're going to have some cool air to our northeast, warm air coming back in from the south and west, and a storm system over the U.S.-Canadian border bringing more snow there, and some rain and storms down across the southeast. A couple days later, on the 21st, we have another trough and another peace energy coming across the middle part of the country, another one coming into the northwest coast as well. And this storm could bring some flurries, light snow, but most of the moisture looks to be over the deep south and down to the Gulf Coast once again, with some showers and thunderstorms in that part of the country. And at the end of the forecast on Christmas Day, we have a deep trough over the west, some energy moving into the plains, strong ridge over the south and east, and if this was to be right, this would bring a fairly stormy pattern on Christmas Day with some rain, showers, thunderstorms to our south, snow, maybe heavy across the plains, but we've seen a lot of things, and we'll see if this continues on future runs. Last night's satellite image showed the storm system beginning to lift out into the Great Lakes and down into the south, with some fairly heavy snow across Minnesota and Wisconsin, and some showers and thunderstorms across the lower and middle Mississippi River valleys. The watch warning map from last evening still had some winter storm warnings, some blizzard warnings in Minnesota and into Wisconsin, also across northern New England, the northern Rockies, in New Mexico, and some fog issues over the southeast as well. The QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Friday evening at 6 o'clock, showing nothing around here, as will be dry at least through Saturday. Some precipitation to our west, to our south, and east. Some of it may be up above 1 inch.